4 of the lesson is spelling. Now we're going to listen to sounds, write them down into single letters, words, and sentences. So let's begin with the sound ah. Say ah, ah. Now spell it. A. Say I. Spell it. Say spell it. Say d, spell it. Say p, spell it. Now we're going to spell whole words. Remember how we did this in our last lesson? I'm going to say the word, you're going to grab it and then let out the sounds. The first word is mad. Mad. Let out the sounds. A, d. 3 sounds. Now we'll write it. M, A, D. Now check it. A, d. Mad. The next word I want you to grab is pit. Pit. Let out the sounds. P, I, t. Pit. 3 sounds. P, I, T. Let's check it. P, I, t. Pit. The next word I want you to grab is past. Past. P, A, S, T. 4 sounds. P, A, S, T. Check it. P, A, S, T. Past. Past. Now we're going to write a sentence. Listen to the sentence first, then we'll say it together, counting how many words are in the sentence. Did Dan sit on the cap? Did Dan sit on the cap? 6 words. Okay, I'm going to say the sentence again. Did Dan sit on the cap? Remember, every sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with punctuation. Okay, let's check and see if we have all the words. So we'll point to the words as I say the sentence. Did Dan sit on the cap? Good job. Okay, now we're going to check. Did I start with a capital letter? Yes, I did. D-I-D. Did. Okay, that looks good. Dan. D-A-N. Dan. Good. S-I-T. Sit. On is a sight word, we're not going to sound it out. The is a sight word, we're not going to sound it out. Cap. K-A-P. Cap. Did Dan sit on the cap? Am I asking or telling? I'm asking. Did Dan sit on the cap? So I need a question mark. And there's our multisensory spelling. We've just reinforced all the sounds and letters we've learned into isolated sounds, whole words, and a meaningful sentence. Part 5 of the lesson is phonetically controlled reading. What that means is that the story has words in it that use the sounds and letters that have been taught with a few sight words embedded into it. Take a moment to look at this story, and then we'll read it together. Okay, let's get started. Nat naps. Always read the title. The title helps us to understand what the story might be about. Nat naps. Did Nat nap? Nat naps on the mat. Tim naps. Tim naps on the mat with Nat. A simple phonetic story. We've used the words that you've learned in isolation. We've put them together in meaningful sentences and phrases to write an easy story to read. That's your multisensory reading. Practice makes permanent. Happy reading.